Alright guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. So today we're going to be looking at the 3F UL nylon 40 plus 16 liter backpack. This is going to be my wife Melissa's backpack. She's going to be using this on our longer trips. We still do use our Modace packs. This one just can actually hold more. Now 3F UL gear has 3 different backpacks. They are also sold under the Flames Creed name. This one is what they consider the oldest model. This is made out of 210D nylon, and it kind of feels more like a laminate nylon. It's a ripstop, but it feels like it's more like a laminate. Now, they have this model, then they have the x-pac model, which is a laminate fabric, but is waterproof, whereas this one's water resistant. And then they also have a model which has like a V-mesh, that comes around, and then the mesh actually works as your bottle holder too, just so you know the difference between the 3. You'll be seeing mine, which is the regular x-pac version here, real soon. But right now we wanted to get hers done. Now at first glance you'll notice down here, I think you can see that down in the corner here. There it is. It has the 3F UL insignia. I'm being told that new ones coming from the factory are not going to have that. Now another thing I should show you right off the bat. It's going to take some doing to get it on shot. Okay, let's see if you can see that. That thing is huge. Alright, that's a little bit better view for you. Now, I'm going to go over some of these things later, but I'm going to touch on a few of them now. The zippers are YKK. The buckles are Duraflex, and on this pack, the buckles, some of them are kind of small and seem kind of chintzy, but they're not bad. Once again, it's 210D nylon. The colors it comes in are gray, which is what this is, orange and blue. And then in the back, which I'll show you in a minute, this is actually designed for a Thermarest Z-Lite Sole mattress. Basically, it's the Thermarest fold-up accordion style one. We do have a fold-up foam mattress, but ours are actually the wider ones. So they're actually too long for this, so I either have to cut one down, or I've put in 2 of our folding seat pads to use as a frame for her now, which I think that she'll just go ahead and use that for now. But that's most of the basic specs. Let's get to looking at the pack here. Alright, we're just going to take a look at it real quick, and then I'll have my wife put it on and we'll go over it a little more in depth. But you got mesh on the front, you got paracord, you got ties down here at the bottom to hold on your trekking poles. On the sides, you got Ziploc bottle holders so we can zip them tighter. Our Modaces just have the elastic, so that's going to be much nicer. You also have the side pack to close it down. Tighter, you can pull these and cinch it tighter, which is really nice. Obviously you got the roll top, and then it has a buckle that goes over the top. Let's try to roll this down and get it closed down so you can see better. Now it does have the hydration bladder holder and the openings in it, and then it also has inside, which I'm not going to open it up now, but inside, hanging from the back, there's a zippered pouch. It's just a regular mesh zippered pouch. So we turn it around, and you can see the Z seat. Now it's got a mesh bottom here, alright, and then it's got this crossbar, and then it also has a strap that can go around it if you want to. basically you're supposed to fold your mattress pad in half and slide it in there. Ours are too long. It comes up like way up 2 or 3 inches above the top where the straps are connected, so that won't work. Now it does have padded hip belt with huge pockets built in, but you'll be able to see it better once my wife has it on. It's got your regular cross straps, big padded shoulder, load levelers to pull it back, which it does a very, very good job of. And then, other than that, I think that's about it I'm going to show you in this form factor. It'll be much easier to show you what's going on with it when we get it on my wife so I can actually show you. So let's have her put it on and we'll go over it. Okay, so slowly turn around, honey. Alright, you see how we've got it? Keep going. Stop. See how we've got it drawn in with an arch? What that does is allow air to flow through there. Alright, because at the rate she's full at, there's no reason to pull it any tighter, because basically the belt is carrying everything at this moment. Lift your arm up, honey. So, you can see that pack. Unzip your pack, honey.
Oh, right here.
So as you can see, it's quite large. Huge compared to our Modace packs. So she's going to close that up. But she's got load lifters right there pulling it in. She's got the strap. There's where her straps actually connect. You see that it's not hitting her side in any way, shape, or form. It actually floats off there. Alright. On the back, you got your mesh. There's straps at the bottom. Keep going, honey. Now she's got these straps here where we can compress it if we want to, or strap things to the side. And she's got another pocket right here. Now, turn around, honey. Some things to talk about here. The zippers on this thing are YKK. The buckles are Duraflex, which they're not the most quality things. There's some real small ones on here I question, but they're solid enough. I think they're going to be fine. They come in gray, orange, blue. This is the gray. Now, it suggests the Thermarest Z-Lite Sole mattress for the frame in there. Now it's water resistant, and the material is a 210D nylon that has been coated. Now, when I say coated, I mean the best way, it almost feels like it's a laminate-based fabric, which basically, you know, X-pac is basically a laminate. It is water resistant. I can believe that. It is not waterproof. I would say it's got some UV protectorant. The side here, you can see the water bottle pulls, and you pull that and it'll cinch this down, tighten it up. Overall, I think she's pretty happy. It's got a decent waist belt, honestly, and double adjustments, so you're not limited to one side. You can pull it wherever you want. The air tunnel through here, with her, because of her height, she's going to always have that air tunnel in here because of the way it's built, which is not a bad thing. Get some air in there. It's a lot like the Arc Hall, just not with a frame there. And like I said, I would keep it at 25 pounds max is all I would carry in this. That's water and everything. But we could fill this thing to where it's above her head. And this thing would carry just as nice, because that waist belt takes all of the weight off of her. Every bit of it.
It's wide.
Yes, it is an actual very wide, and it's padded. So, overall, honey, what do you think?
I like it. I can't wait to try it.
So, till next time, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy.
And we'll see you in the next one.